ये अपर पार्ट है इतना वाला, और ये लोअर पार्ट है। अपर पार्ट को सुप्रा स्पाइनस फोसा एंड देन द लोअर पार्ट इज नोन एज इंफ्रा स्पाइनस फोसा. In the infraspinous fossa, the muscles are present known as infraspinatus muscles, and on the upper part, the muscles present are known as supraspinatus muscles. And then the notch is present. This notch is known as spinoglenoid notch between the spine and the glenoid cavity. The notch present is known as spinoglenoid notch. And between from this part, the nerve passes known as the suprascapular nerve. Then there are three borders of the scapula. First one is the lateral border, that is the thickest border, and then the medial border, which is the longest border among these three, and then the superior border, which is thinnest and the shortest. Then एक tubercle, the one tubercle is present below the glenoid cavity. Here it is not seen, but it is present in real bone. Glenoid, the tubercle is known as infraglenoid tubercle. Then superior border has superior angle. This one is superior angle. This notch is known as
clavicle and one scapula. Shuffle your bones and find out the
suprascapular notch. This notch is known as superior angle to the base of spine. This is base of spine. The muscle present is levator scapulae. From this superior angle to this, the base of spine, and from the base of spine to here, the inferior angle, the muscle present is known as rhomboideus major, and then this is base of spine, and opposite to the base of spine, this is opposite side, opposite to the base of spine, the muscle present known as rhomboideus minor. Then
this is the superior border, and from here inferior belly of comohyoid muscle is attached.
यहाँ से यहाँ
From the infraglenoid tubercle, long head of triceps also arises.